Costco hot dog. Cleaning.
Wait, choke. Wait. Oh. Tiếng gió không á? A few skibidis in there. I won't trust myself like that.
Yeah, we better go.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
I see you talking and lying and rolling on the floor every time.
It's for the fun of it.
Oh, there's so much sand in my shoes.
Guys, will we fall?
Don't die.
How do you fall?
Sink your feet into the
Yeah, we always matching. We didn't discuss.
Yeah,
I thought you liked spam me.
I love spam too, but I want to give it to my friend if she loves it more.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Hello.
we have a vlogger here. Maybe my honest business. Yeah, like here.
Yeah, should move back. Can I get the sandwich?
Yeah, looks so happy.
Shaking like a goddamn Morocco.
Lecher worker.
It's great.
You don't want to be a lecher worker.
Oh yeah, they do sell onigiri. Yeah. Thank you.
This one?
Open sesame.
I always do.
This is always the
like
party set up when we have
That
stuff.
makes no sense.
It's not opening.
It's
Please make sure we are staying
Yeah,
in the
go
venue
Saturday. I
today.
might see you guys. Hi, this is your gift.
Happy birthday!
I got skateboard! This is for my beginners, right?
Yeah, like it doesn't matter. Like it's just any skateboard is like a skateboard.
Marina, I expect to see you at the next skateboarding hangout.
Okay. right? It looks like unicorns. Oh my god, show me the decor. Baby show.
I'm glad this is a team effort.
This is not working.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Beauty's pain, beauty's pain, beauty's pain.
No! The mountain! The conveniently placed mountain.
Let's have mercy.
Enough. Enough.
But your kids are uneven now.
I don't care.
Alright, this is good, this is good. Oh, this is good. Let's see the
Okay,
fan.
put some surface into this.
Why are you adding such fine details to it?
How about me?
I don't think it's supposed to look like in real life. Like how
I saw you holding the book.
Roll the waves. Yeah.
Smelling like baby wipes and half sea salt. At first having a birthday in the beach.
Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Rena. Happy birthday to you. Hip hooray! Hip hooray! Hip hooray! Yeah!
I was gonna start laughing at the pole, but I was gonna do something. Wait, birthday tradition.
Look at Marina's nose.
Birthday tradition.
Yeah!
Here you
I
go.
wish my tongue was long so I could lick it.
Here you go.
Cut the cake.
Alright. Oh, this is a nut. Look how rainbow it is.
Is that actual rainbow?
Yeah, that is. And it's vanilla, so you guys can still eat it. I know how to measure now. Sorry, let me just give like a piece for each. Sorry, I'm just skipping. Yeah.
Yeah, look at the cake. Wait, can we get this on the digicam?
Y'all, take a picture of the inside the cake. It looks pretty, right? Yeah. That's your cake here. I was looking for you.
This is the aftermath.
We're vlogging. I'll pay.
I think I saw a Scooby-Doo van, bro.
Yeah, it's right over there.
Is it actually saying the Mystery Incorporated?
Yeah.
Oh my god, is this the Mystery Machine? I know who's a Scooby-Doo fan.
You are.
Me. And then I recognized that van, like, no way. They actually went out their way to decorate it. Did it have the flowers on it?
Yeah.
The OGs
it's on the bottom.
Oh man. Holy shit. They actually got a van to make the Mystery Machine.
Yeah.